Welcome again to the construction update for 191 Stratton. This is the May 2023 update. April-May's been a pretty productive 4 weeks. Last 3 weeks more so than this week. We had some massive rain on the Monday night, which we lost 2 days here on site, but we're not too concerned about it. Today we'll talk to you about the progress made on Building 2 and Building 1, and then we'll go into some detail around some technical aspects of the project. So I'm standing at the lift lobby entrance to Building 2. This bit's quite exciting for us because this is the attention to detail that we think we're bringing to the project. You can pretty much see the change in level from the car park to the lift lobby. Now what we've done here, we've actually set the lift lobby down by 20 mil because this will have a tiled surface as opposed to the concrete car park finish. And we've set that down so there's no trip hazard. Not a lot of developers do that, but we've taken the time to understand the finishes that go on in the basement, and we've made the adjustments to the concrete slabs in those locations. So I'm standing in the central spine location, obviously in the basement area. We spoke last month about the temporary ramp that we had in the basement for bringing concrete trucks in. We're now in the process of removing this dirt ramp so that we can finish off the drainage in this zone and commence the slab in this zone for Building 1. So that's started being removed as we speak. Okay, so I'm standing at the basement area for Building 1. Last month we hadn't started any work in this area, but in the last 2 to 3 weeks we've poured the footings for this location and obviously started the block work up to say 3 metres at the moment. We've got to put scaffolding around this for the next lift to get up to the structural slab above. It's quite high through here, and they've started the scaffolding at the moment. You can see some of the tubes ready to go.
So we're on the southern wall of basement 2 where we've just installed these temporary props which are holding up the capping beam on this side. So what that's allowing us to do is to take out the braces that are across the corners here, which is basically retaining everything that side of our basement. So all of these holes above my head on the capping beam were spent the last couple of days drilling. There's 134 holes in total. They're for the dowels for the transfer slab. So they basically hold the ground floor at this end. They get a dowel cast into the concrete with an epoxy filler, and it gets a sleeve around it in the post-tension slab. When we stress the slab after it's poured, 56 days later we grout fill them.
We've been receiving a few calls from buyers around the internal electrical layouts. Just behind the scenes, John Lunny and myself have been working with the designers on those drawings and producing the schedule rates for buyers to add or delete PowerPoints, etc. In the next few weeks. We're hoping to get those plans out to each buyer by the next update, so look out for those. Thank you for watching. We'll look forward to giving you the update next month. As always, if you have any questions on the updates that we give you, please feel free to contact John or myself, and we're happy to take your call. Thanks for watching.